To stake for Sesameseed using Trust Wallet, click on TRON. Next, click the text, "Staking is now available." Under the available tokens, click on TRON. Then click on Sesameseed. Now click the Stake button at the bottom of the screen. Enter the amount of TRX you would like to stake and click the Stake button. You will then see a transaction hash appear and then a confirmation message. Seed rewards will automatically be distributed to your wallet. To add seed to your token list, type seed into the search bar at the top of the screen. Then click on the plus sign. When you return to your wallet, you will now see that seed has been added to the token list. You can now send and receive seed. If you have any questions, please reach out to our Sesameseed team on any of our social media channels.